Are you ready to take control of your tasks and boost your productivity? ClickUp is the game-changing tool that can transform your workflow in just minutes. With its intuitive features, you'll streamline collaboration and stay organized effortlessly. Unlock your potential today and experience the difference ClickUp can make. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use ClickUp.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, you can just open browser and dive into ClickUp.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that helps teams and individuals organize tasks and manage workflows. It features task management, time tracking, goal setting, and document sharing, all in one platform. With customizable views and automation options, ClickUp enhances collaboration and boosts productivity. It's designed for users of all industries and team sizes, making project management seamless and efficiently. So I'll show you how you can get started. You can just click over get started, it's free. So let's just discover the pricing of this platform. So let's click in for the pricing and let's also discover the key features for each one. We have here four packages. You can see we have the first one, it's absolutely for free, and here we have it's best for personal use. Then we have here a limited, best for small teams, as you can see. Then we have business, best for mid-sized teams. We have enterprise best for many large team, as you can see. So about this one, the first one is absolutely for free, and the key features we have here: 100 megabytes storage, unlimited tasks. We have also unlimited free plan members, two-factor authentication, collaborative documents, whiteboards, everything view, real-time chat, Kanban ports. Then we have sprint management, calendar view, custom file manager basic. Then we have an application video recording as well. Then we have also support and one form, and this is it. Then we have here a limited, for example, best for small teams. We have here about the pricing, it's $7. The third package is $12, and the last one you have just to contact sales to know your price. Alright, so you can just select the one you want and you get started with this one. If it's for these three last packages, you have just to click over get started and you have to pay, then you get started with this one. But for the first one, you have just to come back here, or you can just click over sign up, or you can just click over try for free. And let's click over get started. It's free, as I said. Then here we have this page. You have to enter your work email and you click over next, and you'll find other page, which is this one. You have just to continue with Google if you want, or you can just link here your personal information such as your full name, your work email, choose a password, then you click over apply with ClickUp, and then you'll find other page, which is this one. Alright, so right now we have just to answer for these questions, like we have what would you like to use ClickUp for? For example, it's like work. Do you have how large is your company? If it's between 1 and 10, I don't know. And we have it over then 2001. Then we have here between 500 and 2000, between 11 and 25, 26 and 250. And we have between 251 and 500. So let's select, for example, between 1 and 10. Then we have how many people will you be working with. If it's between 2 and 10, between 11, and then we have how under, I don't know. Let's select, for example, just me. Then we have what would you like to manage. If it's HR and recruiting, finance and accounting, support, sales and CRM, professional services, IT, personal use, startup. So let's select, for example, this one. Then we have how did you hear about us? With TV, Reddit, Snapchat, YouTube, or Facebook and Instagram. Then we have do you use any of this to do? For example, we have to do a list here. We have Write, Confluence, and you have just to click over next after choosing. Then we have what features are you interested in trying? So for example, we have CRM, calendar, workload, Gantt charts, dashboard, whiteboard. So you have just to select yours. Also, for example, chat boards. And then we have whiteboards and we have calendar and workload as well. Then you will click over next and you will find other page, which is this one. Here we have the last thing. What would you like to? So for example, I will just write the name of your company or organization, for example. Then I will click over finish and I will find the dashboard, as you can see. So after creating an account, On ClickUp, the first step is to set up your workspace by inviting team members and customizing settings to fit your needs. Next, you have just to create projects by adding folders and lists to organize tasks effectively. Then add tasks within those lists, assigning due dates, priorities, and labels for better tracking. Utilize views like Kanban, Gantt, or Calendar to visualize your work. Finally, you have to explore automation options and integrations with other applications to enhance your collaboration and streamline your workflow, right? So let's discover this platform with this dashboard. All right, so on the left we'll find here our various options. Like here we have, if you want to hear the home page, we have a recent agenda. Anything that you add, you will find it in the home page, by the way. Then we have here the option of inbox. So inbox, we have here congratulations, you cleared your important notification. And here we have other things in the inbox. So for example, messages or emails and other things. Then we have, if you want to add documents, you click over here, create documents, and we have here documents to settings. Then you have just to click over documents, and if you want to create documents, you can just click over create documents in the top right, or you can just click over plus in the right of the option of documents. So for example, I want just create a document, so I will click over create. Then I will find this page. As you can see, I will just add a title, then I will choose here start writing or blank wiki. Then we have other options if you want to add new, for example, table, column, ClickUp list, super page. And we have AI tools popular. For example, you select the one you want like that, and you get started by click over share. All right, then we have also here the option of the dashboard. So in dashboards we'll find here various things like start with a template. You just to click over new dashboard if you want, and you click over here and you'll find here a various dashboard. You can choose a dashboard template. If you want the simple one, the team reporting, the time tracking, or you can just start from scratch and you choose your features that you want, right? And we have here various niches. You can just select the niche that you want if it's dependent to custom, sprints, statuses, tags, assigns, priorities, time tracking, tables, and other things. All right, so this is for this one. Then we have here clips as well. For example, if you want to just new clip, you can just click over the top right, new clip, and you have just to click over start recording like that, and you have just to allow for the teams, and then you get started. All right, if you want to just share it with window or brief on other things, and you get started with starting your clip or your recording. Then we have timesheets, and right we have tiered plus. You can just click over add tasks if you want, or you can just click over here to create entry. We have here enter the time, and you select task if you want, and you select here other things if you want, like here we have the day and the time, and here we have the notes, add tasks if you want. Then we have more options here, and if you scroll down we will find also here other things like team space. For example, I will just click over here. If you want just add list, documents, form, whiteboard, folder, from template, import as well. Then we have here, if you want to create space, you click over here, and you have here firstly a space represent teams, departments, or groups, each with its own lists, workflows, and settings. You can just add your icon and name and description. Then you click over continue. You can also make it private if you want, and then you click over continue and you get started. All right, so this is how it works with ClickUp. You can just get started as soon as possible, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.